What's good, YouTube? It's your boy. Hold on, man. Y'all subscribed yet? Why y'all ain't, man? Just go hit that subscribe button and like the video, man. But what's good, YouTube? It's your boy. I'm back with another video. Today's video, for me being consistent of a lot of stuff doing today. Right now, I'm on the way to get this little YouTube logo sticker. Then I'm finna go shoot a little video with a little drone footage for my little intro, little shit, you know what I'm saying? Ain't gonna say too much. And then it's a car meet today. Then I gotta go get an oil change. So like, it's a lot gonna be in this video. Like, I'm gonna try to separate them, or I might do a whole little video. It depends on like how it turn out. But yeah, right now I'm on the way to go get this YouTube banner. I've been wanting this for a minute, and I finally found somebody to do it. So I'm finna go check him out so he can get the right fitment and stuff. So hopefully everything goes well and he can get it done so I can have it on for this little drone footage today. But yeah. We on a new way to the goddamn. On the way to y'all some little POVs, man. And today gonna be a great video though. Like last week I was supposed to get an oil change, but I had made an appointment, but they was like, something was wrong, or they couldn't get me in or something. So I'ma just swing by there today. I might not even go for real. I might try it next week, cause I got a lot to do today for real. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Feel me, goddamn, pulled up on my boy with the merch. Y'all fuck with him on the most hated, bro.
Shit. I guess it's like some hating ass niggas keep doing goddamn.
Get some shit to wear today, little casual shit, man. Going through the little famous bridge in the city. I hit that bit one time. It's barking, nigga. I need some tires. In this video, I can't do no spinning, bro. I gotta come back up the road. As you can see, man, I finally got my camera back. I'm using the camera today because there's gonna be a lot going on. I'm already late pulling up in Greensboro, but right now I'm going to get my banner and shit, get that put on. That's gonna hold me up even more. But I went to Walmart, got me a little SD card and shit, but I had to put on a little clothes. And then after that, we go to the car meet on the highway with it. You know, the boys act up on the highway. Then we gonna probably go camp some, you know, do video with that nigga or some shit, man. Yeah. We on a little schedule that we late, bro. I gotta get over. Yeah, dude, see that? Get your girl, let me over, bitch. Yeah, man. Get back with y'all. Yeah, man, I just pulled up. You feel me? Pulled up to the damn. This place in the Ville, little Finney's Graphics and Coding. Finna put my shit on. I'ma go in here, see what he talking about, man. As you can see, bro, we here at Finney's Graphics. Get me right now. Put my little banner on. I'm gonna put the little reflective one on later. I'm gonna head to the barrel, do the little photo shoot. And we're gonna be alright. I've been trying this down for a little minute, man. Finally got it right. Then we'll head down there to the barrel. Get some little flicks with the drone. Shit gonna be hard. Now, what you got to say, bro? You look like
just another day to be blessed on this earth, man. That's all I got to say.
Hey, yo, we're official now, man.
Official.
Sure.
Didn't get down there.
Yeah. Nah, he said the other one, like when the light hit it, it's reflected. About like the one on the side. Yeah, that shit do look good. That shit is good. I see, man. Shit look tough. SRT Glow. Y'all go subscribe, man. If you ain't subscribed by now, When I'm up, hey, I'm gonna remember the ones that subscribe. Like, it's a list. I can see who all subscribed and everything, you feel me? So, like, support is not going unnoticed, you know? I gotta get gas, man, you know? We'll be a successful video without getting gas, bro. Let's see where we're going. Leave that shit on there. But y'all peep though, man. Shit look. What y'all think, man? Am I official? I'm official now, bro. Certified. Official. Alright, we're still going. And still going. Everybody want a scat pack. But do y'all want to pay scat pack prices? Gas about 80. Nah, I'm just playing about like, shit, I don't know. This got, it's 60. Gas about 60. Oil change is about 90. It's just a lot, bro. Tires, I don't even talk about that. Yes, I want my receipt. I'm late, man. I'm gonna be rushing this shit. So probably miss content. It'll be alright. Feel me? Get that. Throw it away. Hop in. Crank up. See what this shit on, bro. I reset that shit. Now we out. A little tunnel shit, man. Little tunnel, another tunnel. Bro, we just pulled up to the barrel. Finna go in hike clinic, meet my boy and shit. Ain't gonna lie, this shit lit already though. We finna hop in the stove on some shit.
We out. Hey, look, man, y'all peak game though. You see what I'm saying? It's the first day.
This nigga's working.
We out there being lit.
Shit, we on the way to the goddamn whip right now.
We young.
Then we
turn. We can all make something positive out of life.
hit the spot.
Go the hard route, wrong thing. You see what I'm saying? Be positive.
So goddamn, we finna head to the spot. He got some more people in the video with me. So like that shit gonna make that shit more lit. Like if y'all ain't follow him, make sure y'all go follow him on Instagram, Shots by Minga, man. Like that boy be saying if it ain't shot by Minga, it ain't shot right. And I've been looking at that nigga shit, that nigga hard, on God. So right now I'm looking at my GPS, so I'm gonna have to cut the camera. And I'ma fuck with y'all on some shit. Them things lined up, challenges, see man, them boys make me miss my shit, bro. That's crazy. It came out wide body, sketch, man. It's crazy.
Son hit that bitch early.
That be hard, man. Nigga made me miss my shit, bro.
Thought he said niggas gotta get in front.
Nigga, it ain't no parking spot in front. Follow content, man. Ooh, turn me up.
So who and what?
Content day, man. Hey, I'm in, bro. When I get down here, I just be laying on some shit. Cheers. Cheers. My boy saucy, man. Look at that.
When I get myself on
feel me, man? Look, content day, bro. Look, content day, man. We lined up. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, why y'all pull up in challenges? Y'all made me miss my shit, bro.
Yeah,
like, niggas all put up in challenges, bro. Like, y'all made me miss my shit. Had to appreciate it. Appreciate it. Y'all peep the lineup though. You got the scat right here, shaker, scat Hemi right here, challenger, big body, big boy shit. You know what I'm saying? And then this Mr. Make It Happen, Hello Kitty. Feel me? So all the challenges, bro, they made me miss my shit. Feel me? If you ain't subscribed, go subscribe to my boy. He just hit 1K, 2K on the way. Y'all give me the 1K, man. Make it simple, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be hard. Boy, got the drone and shit. He official with it, man. Got the drone. Little behind the scenes footage for y'all.
So y'all do the same thing. Y'all stand on the corner.
So we fucking goddamn doing a little drone footage right now. I had just pulled off. I think I was supposed to go all the way straight on some shit, but I don't know though, man. We gonna see, man, what he say when we get back. But I ain't gonna lie, this shit hard. This shit look like a movie, bro. Y'all stay tuned. Got the C6s and the C8s over there. Oh shit, shit. Goddamn Christ. He on the E-way! On the E-way with them cats and scats, you heard? Yo, ass better out there. We pulled up at the ANT, this shit is lit. I ain't get the coming in part. Cause man, I don't be focused, man, but this shit harder shit. I'm about to grab a spot over here.
Are you parking getting up?
Pulled up at the goddamn shit, man, a little early, man. She would've got something to eat, but goddamn. There's a little lineup on some shit. Let's see the fuck up. Like, shit hard, though. They just early. Cotton. What's going on,
good? Good shit. Where your partner?
Oh, Clip. Oh, you doing from 11?
Oh, he
right in the car. We got all this shit out here, bro. You know what I'm saying?
That's the only thing, bro.
Hood off. Big bodies. Shit. And you got the goddamn. Y'all fuck with the rap? Let me know. Man, a lot of rap tough. It's hard.
Yeah, 1-to-1, fam. Big hoe shit.
Yeah, big hoe shit, man. Talk your shit, man.
Get mad right here, get in that fast lane, I honk on your ass.
Honk is that hoe, damn.
Nice side over there, I be on there. slow lane and shit.
Hey, we got the same shit, same
Word.
shit.
Say that. Big green sheet.
Oh, he got, bruh, he really got Jen's rap on the other side.
Oh my god. Whew. That bitch tough. Undercover. You see the credible? Might get a real. This one, tough as fuck. Not gonna lie.
You know what I mean? In case you ain't like that, we give you this.
Side by side.
You feel?
This shit like, damn, my shit closed. Fuck, I was trying to get just to see. Man, this shit crazy though. Look at this. Ain't gonna lie, me uploading this for y'all. This is OD. This shit gonna take about 30 days. Huh? 30? Damn, no, nigga. That's not fucking with you. Bro, be in your ass. You ain't finna wait that long. Y'all, look how wicked the E-way is. It's not playing. Good to get over. Oh my god, that nigga off. Hey, look, see what I'm saying? Look, that nigga this bitch start, you feel me? No hands on some shit, you feel me? Look at that. We hawks him down. We hawks him down. We hawks him down. We 200. Woo! Oh, shit. Shit. Slap this dick in your mouth.
That's so fucked up, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, camera quality is fucking crazy, nigga.
They get they niggas these.
Boy, spinning.
Shit, man. Look, man. Little rap shit. Hello, Kitty. It's hard. Kitty. Kitty cat. See what I'm saying? Scat. Scat, huh? Yeah, man, this shit's tough as fuck. Be wild about this shit, man. Man, you got the RD. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy SRT Glow, and I'm on day 2 at the HBCU Ghoe, man. Today we're gonna be going to the tailgate, man. You feel me? Little VIP parking spot on some shit, man. VIP parking, bro. Like, I'm in an enclosed cage, man. You know I got that shit on. You know what I'm saying? Nah, let me stop trolling. But yeah, though, we finna go out here and just see the vibes, and then we gonna hit the concert, and then we gonna, I don't know what's out of the concert, man. You feel me? But y'all stay tuned, though, man. Catch y'all. Hey, man, ain't gonna lie, bro. We here. You feel me? This bitch is packed. Keep game, bro. Game. That shit whamming. God damn. Crazy. Ain't gonna lie, I might get me some public interviews. What you think, bro? What you think? Get some what? Public interviews. What you think? What's up? You see what I'm saying? I was trying to get you to hop on the wave, man. You see what I'm saying? Y'all let me know in the comments. Should I do them? You feel me? Should I start doing them or not, bro? Let me know. You know what I'm saying? Ain't gonna lie. This shit is easy. We just walking around lost in the sauce on some shit. This is crazy.
Hey, we going where? What's up?
Crazy.
First of all, y'all know I'm about to play y'all.
You know what I'm saying? Bike shop. Ski mask up. Man, look, VIP parking and shit inside the gate. You gotta press your code in to park over here on some shit. You know what I'm saying? Look up. Damn, my shit over there in the cut.
Oh, where did they hit those?
Shit. There she go.
You don't even want to buy the top.